Located in a former Marine Police headquarters and the fire station, the 1881 Precint is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Hong Kong. And in this episode, I'm taking you to one of the beautifully restored colonial buildings, the Marine Police headquarters, to have a taste of the equally beautiful afternoon tea. This is the Odea, a restaurant serving your French cuisines. According to its website, set in a colonial-style architecture with a beautiful Victorian-style patio surrounded by greens, Odea delivers a lavish dining experience with a sense of lively and cozy nature. It takes on an innovative approach on the French classics with a modern twist using the finest ingredients and artisan produce. As far as I know, the executive chef of the Odea is a former executive chef of the Intercontinental Hotel Hong Kong, and so you would probably expect some 5-star hotel quality presentation, as just look at this instantly Instagrammable afternoon tea set. You cannot complain the taste of the scone, as this is buttery and soft, but I have to say so far there was no scone that tops the one served at TWG this year. So are the clotted cream and marmalade and strawberry jam. They're okay, but no match for a 5-star hotel like Peninsula. The savory ones are actually quite innovative, like this yogurt crab meat, jackfruit and shrimp cracker, seaweed Hokkaido scallop and mango sandwich, cheese fondue and grapes tart, Japanese beef and coconut puff, and lobster and pineapple sandwich. The sweet ones are more conventional, like this white peach coconut panna cotta, lychee and wild strawberry cheesecake, yuzu mango tart, and cherry pistachio cake, which I would recommend in a heartbeat. Instead of ordering tea, I have the mocktail this time. This cucumber apple juice is actually quite fresh. Afterwards, you can tour around the beautiful colonial structure like this fire station and just look at this beautiful classic fire engine, as well as the former Time Ball Tower. Would I recommend this afternoon tea? Well, not bad if you're a fan of exotic savory snacks, but I'll stick with the more conventional ones from a 5-star hotel.